This is an exciting tutorial on how to harness the full potential of YouTube's picture-in-picture mode. Have you ever wished you could watch your favorite videos while simultaneously browsing the web as you can see on your screen? Well, you're in for a treat, as I am about to unveil the secrets of enabling picture-in-picture mode on YouTube. With this feature, you can multitask like a pro and enhance your online experience. Before I dive into the YouTube specifics, let's take a moment to appreciate the brilliance of picture-in-picture mode itself. This feature isn't limited to YouTube, you can use it across various websites. It allows you to keep video content playing in a small, resizable window while you navigate other tabs or applications on your computer. It's like having your cake and eating it too. To begin, open your web browser and head over to YouTube. You can use your preferred browser Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or even Microsoft Edge. Just make sure you're on the YouTube website. Now that you're on YouTube, it's time to locate the video you want to watch in picture-in-picture mode. You can search for it using the search bar, or if you've already got a specific video in mind, navigate to the channel or playlist where it resides. Once you've found your video, it's time to prepare for the picture-in-picture magic. Right-click once on the video player to reveal a menu of options. Don't worry, we're almost there. Now, here's the secret sauce. Right-click again on the video player. This second right-click is the key to unlocking the picture-in-picture option. Once you do this, you'll see a menu that includes the coveted picture-in-picture option. With the picture-in-picture option now visible, go ahead and click on it. Instantly, your video will transition into a floating, resizable window that you can move around your screen. Congratulations! You've successfully enabled picture-in-picture mode on YouTube. You can now relish your chosen video while simultaneously browsing other websites, checking emails, or even working on your projects. It's a game changer for productivity and entertainment alike. One of the beauties of picture-in-picture mode is its flexibility. You can resize the floating video window by clicking and dragging its corners. Additionally, you can move it anywhere on your screen that suits your needs. This customization ensures that picture-in-picture mode seamlessly integrates into your workflow. Need to switch back to the full-screen YouTube experience? Easy peasy. Click on the video in picture-in-picture mode and you'll see an option to return to the original video page. This allows you to toggle between modes effortlessly. When you're done multitasking or want to close the picture-in-picture window, simply click the X icon in the top right corner of the video window. Your video will revert to its original tab. And there you have it. You are now a picture-in-picture pro. You can seamlessly enjoy YouTube videos while juggling other tasks, making your online experience more efficient and enjoyable. By following these steps, you've unlocked a world of multitasking possibilities that will forever change the way you watch and work online. So go ahead, give it a try, and see how picture-in-picture mode on YouTube can elevate your digital life. Thank you for joining me on this journey, and remember to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends to spread the knowledge. Stay tuned for more tech tips, tricks, and tutorials.